Namaskar, good morning. Today we'll take a look at Aztec Life Sciences, one of the promising pharmaceutical companies. It's a sort of a Godrej Group company. Actually, it is a subsidiary of Godrej Agrovit, which is the holding company for Aztec Life Sciences. And Godrej Agrovit is a subsidiary of Godrej Industries. So the management is headed by Nadir B. Godrej as chairman, Ashok V. Hiremath as managing director. Now, Aztec Life Sciences has over 2 decades experience in chemical industry. The company employs very highly qualified people, good manufacturing facilities, a strong R&D focus. Product range includes tebuconazole, hexaconazole, propiconazole, metalaxyl, pentanediol, dicop, fluoro, and phenacyl chloride. So, a lot of products are there. Now, let us take a look at the quarterly results. Net sales for Q1 are 112 crores, but previous quarter 181 crores. Year ago quarter 77 crores. So year on year there is an increase of 45.4%, but quarter on quarter there is a degrowth of 38%. Consumption of raw materials etc. are normal. Now profit net profit is 16.18 crores. Previous quarter 31.18 crores, but year ago quarter minus 1.1 crores. So there is over 1,000% increase in the profits year on year. But quarter on quarter there is a decrease of 48%. So net sales have increased, net profits have increased year on year, but both have decreased quarter on quarter. But these are seasonal companies, therefore it is understandable. Equity is 19.57 crores. Basic EPS on a face value of 10 rupees is 8.27. Previous quarter 15.97. Year ago quarter is minus 0 point because it had loss. So EPS year on year is quite good. Net profit year on year is quite good. Net sales year on year is quite good. But compared to previous quarter, all have fallen. The market price is around 956. 56 weeks low is 305. 52 weeks high is 1119. So current market price of 956 is closer to 52 week high. So will it reach and go past? Likely. Depends upon the market moods also. Volumes are good. So buying and selling is not a problem. Now, if we look at the annual results for the last 5 years, in 2016, the sales were 233 crores. In 2017, 299 crores. 2018, 367 crores. 2019, 430 crores. 2020, 523 crores. So there is a distinct, gradual, impressive increase in sales. What about net profits? Net profit for the 16th year was 5 crores, 17th year was 19 crores, 18th year 35 crores, 19th year 36 crores. Now 20th year 2020 47.53 crores. So both sales and net profits have been increasing steadily and impressively over the last 5 years. We have seen the quarterly results, we have seen the annual results. Now, if you look at the chart has touched the bottom in April 20, and from April, April 20 means April 2020. From then onwards, it has been moving up. We have seen 900 plus. Technical rating, it is very bullish on a long-term basis. Valuations, if you look at that, market cap is 1,871 crores. Price earning, trailing 12 months, 28.87. Book value 125.88. Dividend is 15%. Industry, dividend only, they can perhaps increase. Okay. Industry price earning is 47. Trailing 12 months EPS is 33. Price to cash 21. Price to book 8. Dividend yield is just 0.16%. They can increase that. Face value is rupees 10. Deliverables 54.18. Now, if you look at the historical prices for the last 3 years, let us see that also. The 1 year before, the price was 364. 2 years before, the price was 617. 3 years before, the price was 570. Now, the price is close to 1,000. So, compared to 3 years, 1 year before, somehow prices have fallen during the last 1 year to 364, but from then onwards, there has been a zoom. 2,000 plus. 3 months before also it was 571, now it is 1,000 plus, almost double. Now, if you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters hold 72%. Actually, Godrej Agrobit, the holding company itself, holds more than 60%. Pledge is 0. FIs hold very little, 0.55%. DIIs hold 7.36%, mutual funds hold very little. So others hold 19.78%. Now let us look at the annual report details, a few. For the year 2019-20 was of robust growth for Aztec Life Sciences. Total revenues grew by 20.8%. Exports increased by 21.6%. Profit after tax improved by 33% compared to the previous year. The company reduced its borrowings from 1,756.7 crores to 987.1 crores to 987.1 crores. That is, previous year it had borrowings of 1,756.7 crores. Current year just significantly reduced, 9,987.1 crores. So debt has been decreased significantly. Now the debt equity ratio has been reduced from 0.87 to 0.40, almost half. ROCE, return on capital employed, is 19.2%, good. Return on equity is 19.3%, good. So the performance is consistent in a 4-year compounded annual growth rate. CAGR, compounded annual growth rate, is 19.9% in revenues and 36.4% in profit after tax. Look at that. Profits have been growing at the rate of 36.4%. That is impressive. So last year, COVID was there. Supply chain was disrupted. So many things happened. So Q3 and Q4, there were problems. But yet, Aztec Life Sciences put up good performance. The company's the plants are all now open. The contract manufacturing business has performed very well. There is strong demand for the products of Aztec. The company commissioned 2 new products for multinationals. It also has several projects in pipeline which will be rolled out in the next few years. Construction of a new herbicide plant is expected to be completed by the end of this year, and 2 new products are to be introduced this year. There is also a program of backward integration. Why? To avoid dependence on China. R&D continues to develop new products at a healthy pace. So a new R&D center has been designed. So there will be a quantum jump in R&D capabilities that will be commissioned probably next year. So Astec is progressing well. It's a good company. The profits have been progressing well. The sales have also been progressing well. The holding company is good. Its holding company is still better. Godrej Industries holds Godrej Agrovet, which holds Astec Life Sciences. That is going to stay as such. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with another good company. You take your chance with Astec Life Sciences. Listen to it 2 or 3 times. Subscribe to it. Ask your friends also to subscribe. So I'm generally giving good companies only, except 1 or 2 which are popular, like Vakrangi. Vakrangi will be a good company after 2 years. Now it is going slow. So I'll be back with you with another good company. Thank you.